inside your instrument pack are some egg shakers. So you should have two. They might be different colors, they might be the same. Everybody kind of gets a different one. But these egg shakers can do a lot of things as well. So again, we could be working on fine motor control of our grasp here. We can do gross motor skills, which you'll see in some of the dancing and jamming. We can also do some auditory work, so shaking and stopping. There's a video for different kind of textures inside our egg shakers, which is a really good auditory discrimination game. This one could be also auditory processing of where the sound is coming from. So if you have little ones, 0 to 2s, just working on visual tracking, auditory placement of objects, this is a great one to just shake with the song and watch them track the object. We're gonna play some games of body part identification with them as well. It's great to have that tactile feedback of labeling where the body part is when you're saying it. And even just dancing and getting rhythm in line with the music can prime our brain for future cognitive skills and communication skills. So there might be some attention work thrown in here when we shake and stop, impulse control, but also listening and attending to the direction of stop and start. A lot of different ways music therapists sneak in goal work using fun instruments. So you and your kids get to just jam along, but know that you're working on all of these awesome skills for future development and beyond.